In front of me is DORO 8100, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service. Click on Google Password Manager and click on one of your passwords. Now you need to enter your current login method and hit Edit button to change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!